iSkySoft Video Converter Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get video conversion wrong. They either waste hours with complicated software or compromise quality. iSkySoft Video Converter promises fast, high-quality conversions across formats, and the surprising truth is how many extra features it packs and beyond basic conversion. You won't believe how easy it makes handling video for any device. Here's how it works. iSkySoft supports hundreds of formats, including MP4, MOV, AVI, and MKV. You can convert videos for smartphones, tablets, gaming consoles, and social media platforms. The interface is straightforward. Simply drag your file, select the desired output format, and start the conversion. For batch processing, you can queue multiple files, saving a lot of time. The software also offers editing features like trimming, cropping, adding subtitles, and adjusting brightness or contrast. You can even compress large video files without significant quality loss. For example, a 4K video can be compressed to a smaller size suitable for sharing online, which is something most free converters struggle to do effectively. iSkySoft also has a built-in downloader for YouTube and other streaming sites, and a screen recorder for creating tutorials or capturing gameplay. Most people get this wrong. They assume a converter only changes file formats, but this tool functions as a complete media management suite. However, there are considerations. While it's powerful, some features like DVD conversion and advanced editing may require the paid version. Most people assume all functions are fully free, so it's important to check licensing before relying on premium features. In conclusion, iSkySoft Video Converter is ideal for anyone needing a reliable, versatile video conversion tool. Its combination of format support, editing features, and batch processing makes it suitable for casual users, content creators, and professionals alike. It saves time, maintains quality, and simplifies video management like few other converters. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of video and multimedia tools.